Hey everyone! Today I've got something super special for you. If you're always on the go and finding it hard to squeeze in a workout, this video is just for you. We're diving into a 10-minute full-body workout that you can do anytime, anywhere. No more excuses. Alright, let's get started. We've got 5 exercises lined up and we'll be doing each one for 45 seconds with a 15-second break in between. Make sure to have a water bottle handy and let's get those muscles working. First, let's warm up with some light jogging in place. This will get our blood flowing and muscles ready. You can also do some arm circles and gentle stretches. Ready? Let's go. Jumping jacks are a great way to start. They work your entire body and get your heart rate up. Let's do it for 45 seconds. Ready? And go. Next up, push-ups. These are fantastic for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If regular push-ups are too challenging, you can always drop to your knees. Ready? Let's go. Now we'll move on to squats. These are perfect for your legs and glutes. Make sure to keep your back straight and knees behind your toes. Ready? And squat. Time for planks. This will engage your core and help with stability. Hold your body in a straight line and don't forget to breathe. Ready? Hold it. Let's finish strong with mountain climbers. These are great for your abs and cardio. Keep a steady pace and drive those knees up. Ready? And go. Fantastic job, everyone. Let's cool down with some gentle stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch out your arms, and take deep breaths. You did amazing today. That's it for today's 10-minute full-body workout. Remember, consistency is key. Even a short workout like this can make a big difference if you stick with it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future workouts. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe for more workouts.